There are confusing English verbs that many learners get confused because those verbs sound similar to use in conversations. Let's take a closer look and find out.
Do or make. Use do for actions, obligations, and repetitive tasks. Use make for creating or producing something. Examples: I do the shopping. I do my homework. I do the dishes. She makes good salad. I make a phone call. They make a video every month. Come or go. Come means to move to the speaker's location. Go means to move to a place the speaker is not. Example: Please come to my office to discuss the project. I go to the supermarket once a week. Bring or take. Bring implies movement towards something, while take implies movement away from something. Example: Bring me the box from the other room. Bring John with you to the party. Please take my car to a mechanic. I take the bus to school. Remember or remind. Remember refers to keeping something in mind. Remind refers to telling someone not to forget what they wanted to do. Example: I remember now we met at the beach 5 years ago. Please remind me to get milk while shopping. Speak or say. Speak is a little more explicitly about the act of talking. Say is about expressing yourself through words. Example: I'll speak to him if he calls. I try to speak English fluently. I just stopped by to say hello. She is saying how happy she is. Spend or waste. Spend means using your resources or your money. Waste means spending more than you need. Example: I spend $200 for my birthday each year. I spend good time with my friends. I don't like wasting foods. Lend or borrow. Lend means to give something to someone, to be used for a period of time and then returned. Borrow means to take and use something that belongs to someone else for a period of time and then return it. Example: I didn't lend him my car because he drives fast. Can I borrow the library book for a week? Hear or listen. Hear for sounds that come to our ears, but we are not necessarily paying attention to them. Listening suggests an active effort that requires attention. Example: They heard a strange noise in the middle of the night. I listen to music before I sleep. Talk or tell. Talking, to talk, is often used instead of speaking. Telling, to tell, is giving information or recounting a story or ordering someone to do something. Example: He was talking to his father about his new job. I want to tell you a story. Tell him what you think. Seek or search. Seek is only used for intangible concepts, to try to find or discover the solution to a problem. Search means looking for something or someone. Example: she is seeking a job as a teacher. I'm seeking advice. I am searching for my lost keys in the house. I use Google to search about something. Stay or remain. Stay is more about being at a place, residence, or to state a feeling. Remain to stay in the same place or in the same condition. Example: I am going to stay here for a couple of days. Stay strong. Stay calm. The pilot says, please remain seated in your seats. Owe or own. Owe when you borrow money from someone, you owe them, and you need to return it. Own something is yours. You have full possession of something. Example: I owe my friend $20 and I need to pay him back soon. I own a house and a car, they are mine.